Sixth graders, in this lesson, we're going to be dividing decimals by other decimals. The first problem on this slide is think of one or more ways to solve 3 divided by 12 hundredths. So we can do many different things here, but one of the things that we can do is we can multiply both the 3 and the 12 hundredths by 100. So if we times 3 times 100, we actually get 300. And if we multiply 12 hundredths times 100th, we move our decimal point 2 places to the right, and we get 12. So now our problem becomes 300 divided by 12, or setting it up long division, 12 goes into 30 twice, which is 24. You get 6 left over, bring down your 0. 12 goes into 60 5 times, and 5 times 12 is 60. So 300 divided by 12 is 25. When we multiply both the dividend and the divisor by the same number, it doesn't change our quotient at all. So looking at the next problem, find 1 8/10 divided by 4 thousandths. So if we do that, 1 8/10 divided by 4 thousandths. If we multiply both by 1,000, that means that we're going to get 1,800 divided by 4. 1,800 divided by 4. 4 goes into 18 4 times, which is 16. You get 2 left over, bring down your 0. Goes in there 5 times, which is 20. We get 0, but we still have another 0 to bring down, so we have to fill up this space here with another 0. So 1,800 divided by 4 is 450. And if you look at our third problem, Diego said to divide decimals, we can start by moving the decimal point in both the dividend and divisor by the same number of places and in the same direction. We just did that when we multiplied both 1 8/10 and 4 thousandths. We multiplied them both by 1,000, which we ended up moving the decimal point in each 3 places to the right to get 1,800 divided by 450. So, do we agree with this statement? Yes, we would. We could multiply both 7 5/10 and 1 25 hundredths by 100 and move our decimal place 2 places to the right and get 750 divided by 125. 750 divided by 125 is 6. And if you look at our answers on the next slide, you will see that what we just talked about.